Hi ladies and gents, welcome back to my channel. I will be unboxing my latest purchase from the Pandora website. So what I did purchase is the Pandora ME Slim Link Chain Bracelet. And this may be a shocker, but yes, I have converted to the Pandora ME collection. This was a collection that I was not interested in, but lately I find that I'm leaning more towards it, just because it's a bit lighter and a little bit more edgy than the regular Pandora Moments collection. Alright, so we have two baggies in here. Oh, that's smart. So here we do have the Slim Link chain bracelet. And I'm super happy that they actually did put one end in another Ziploc, just to prevent scuffing. Okay, so this is small. So that tells me that I will eventually have to have my nails a little bit longer than I do have now, just to be able to to open this. So this is the slim one. It's actually gorgeous. I will do another video because I did make another purchase, and I do believe my third video will be all about the Pandora ME collection. So I'm excited to show you guys that, and I'll be able to show you the difference between all three of the silver ME bracelets. So here we do have the 4 links, and we do have the links that open up on both ends. So it's nice and firm, it's not loose. So we do have the Pandora signature on the clasp. Now, the only problem I see with this clasp is that individuals will need to have nails or longer nails in order to open and close the clasp. So I have a feeling that I will be asking my partner to put this bracelet on and take it off because this is going to be difficult with my short nails. So this bracelet is actually going to be perfect. I can't wait to wear it and mix it with my other bracelets. So now let's have a look at my mini dangle. So as for the mini dangle, I did buy the Cheeky Peach mini dangle. This one I couldn't resist. When I first saw it, I knew that this would be my actual favorite. It is absolutely gorgeous. And we do have this bright orange crystal or CZ. And the orange color is really bright. It's absolutely gorgeous. Then if you have a look at the back, it's just nice and simple. So if you have a chance, do get this one. They could have given us a pumpkin too, because I thought the release of the peach for October was a little bit odd, but I absolutely love it. And what's cool about the Pandora ME collection is that these little dangles are so light. Alright, so these are the pieces that I did buy for my birthday using my 15% off birthday discount. I absolutely love them, and I can't wait to show you guys more. There's another unboxing coming up, and as well another video which is going to be an overview of my Pandora ME collection.